cause girlies they crack. They stand around and dock, so I say boom, shakalaka. Grab the microphone, then rock. To take the truth when on the mic, I'll say anything that sounds good. Like jump and sound over some, they got in a hat and a mouse ran up the stairs.
Now that didn't make no sense.
Come on, who cares? See, everyone's out to get the show, so don't be trying to knock me. I say what I want to say as long as it sounds funky. Some MCs wanted to buy me, so they try to take stands. But they don't understand, I'm the motherfucking man. I demand and up down, lift them up and down, smack a few of them around. Let them know who is the drum, who's the tip of the top, the cream of the crop, the best under the sun. I'm the Lord G, rock the number one, Mr. Funky.
The Lord G, rock the number one, G, rock the Lord G, rock the number one, G, rock the Lord G, rock the number one, G, rock the Lord G, rock the number one, G, rock the Lord G, rock the number one, G, rock the Lord G, rock the number one, G, rock the Lord G, rock the number one, G, rock the Lord G, rock the number one, G, rock.
Well, I'm boom shakalaka. I got the fragrance, the funk, and it's smelling up the hip hop. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, mixed up, little with this, and now I got a rap. I'm the chief rocker, so I guess I am in charge. I freak it with the twist, so you're booming in your cars. I'm the one with the flow, in the grip like G.I. Joe. I snatch, I grab, and then I grab the dough. See, if I was an Indian, I'd still be the chief. The only other difference, I smoke weed in a leaf. To the hip, the hop, to the hippity hip hop. Oh no, I don't wanna go pop. I got too much soul, rhythm and blues, R&B. You see, all that's cool, but hip hop and rap, yeah, that's where my heart's at. Even back when I used to break on a box, backspin for backspin, even while I'm rapping. Before I had a record, I always kept on clapping, freestyling on the block. Now I chief rock, I always entertain by digging in my crocs, my brain. So if it's gonna rain, let it rain. I spook you with the hit, make you jump like House of Pain. Boogaloo, boogaloo, shake and jump. And remember, Chief Rock, I won't front.
The Lord Chief Rock, number one, Chief Rock, the Lord Chief Rock, number one, Chief Rock, the Lord Chief Rock, number one, Chief Rock, the Lord Chief Rock, Chief Rock.
Hey, Mr. Funky,
what's up?
Can I get assistance?
For what?
For what? Yo, Jazz Flex a cut. Go back is the rocker. I'm chilling with my knocker. And if you got beef, then you can live with Jimmy Hoffa. Like what goes up must come down. But not me, clown. I cut him. Crack a speaker when I'm pumping. So jump in and watch your ears start humming through the block. And don't forget to boom, shock a lot.
Well, damn, do it all. Can I rock? I hear a beat, I grab the mic, and then I start